Everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. Today's vehicle for sale comes in a blue exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Around the back we have our GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll look at the driver's side next. So we do have power memory seats, both driver and passenger. You can see the controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Mileage currently at 32,684. With a push button ignition. Here's our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently pulling up navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls. Heated seats for both driver and passenger. And here's the command module to make adjustments on the display. And the Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.